On March 14, 2023, officers were dispatched to a residence in reference to a troublesome 13-year-old boy.
Hello.
Hello. Darius. What? You returned home, right? Alright. Good call. I guess you were missing and we had to come check on you and make sure you're okay.
Home yesterday.
I stayed at night at somebody's house.
Okay. Where you been staying?
That was on one night.
Alright. Is mom here?
Oh, I'm the guardian.
You're the guardian? Okay.
He's got to be a certain rate, George.
10-4. I think they're 26 right now. Okay.
Alright, well, Ladarius, you gotta come with us.
So the 20
Come on,
noise
buddy.
at 8, signal
That was
4
so
10,
unnecessary.
and 30 time lapse 10 minutes or so.
Stop fighting.
10-4 to hold.
Stop. Take a breath. You're fine. You're fine.
40 dispatch, I'll be in front of my computer in a few minutes, and I'll start finding you in a second clear. Any calls that are holding for like an hour or more, if we can refer them to our online reporting, that'd be great.
Can you let go? That right one. Stop.
64 hours.
Let me go, bro.
Can you give us a warrant?
Oh my God. Oh, sorry. I just got a double up. Get off me, bro. Get off me. Stop. Can you just stop?
My knee is not on him.
Stop moving, Ladarius.
My knee is not on him.
I'm just trying to double lock the second one. He's almost good.
Don't walk.
This one's not double locked.
Thank you, 103 dispatch. Traffic from my company.
Jesus, Mary, Joseph.
Walk to the car.
Oh my God! Step up.
64, 42 to 64, 54.
Come on, let's get in the car, dude.
Yeah, you got a crowd out here.
You want me to get on the other side?
Are you at 3? I'm out of 1. Clear. 10 clear out of 1. 6140 is out on 31st. Yeah, we're 6140.
He hasn't been searched. Stop, buddy. Come on.
No, you didn't have to be on him like that.
Well,
Listen, let me tell you something.
he has multiple warrants.
I bet he do. I bet multiple warrants. I bet he do.
Okay, but
This the lane he want to be in.
I can
listen.
guarantee you I wasn't hurting him. Okay?
well, at least you did it.
We have to control him.
Look.
You can say what you want.
We have to control him. Okay? We have to control him.
I understand.
Yeah.
But it looked like you was on top of him. That's all I was asking you to do was get off it.
And I was not.
But it looked like, so I just started.
I was not.
Don't get out there.
And you'll see on your...
Listen,
your
he
your-
relaxed.
Yeah, you go ahead and help him. Yeah. Stop. Hey. Relax. Stop. Just relax. We're gonna sit here all day until you calm down.
I don't give a f about you, bro.
Okay.
I hate that, bro.
You can start first.
Bro, let me go.
What are we doing? I'm just fixing the circuit.
Get the f off me, bro!
Yes, ma'am. 605, can you back one back? Copy 22 civil. Suspect. 2152 Fifth Street, South Beach Avenue, East Front. Residents calling tow truck
Stop. Hey, just stand up. Are you gonna scream all day, or how's this gonna work?
Yeah, you can straight to the jail. We don't need to
I can get this fucker home.
Bro, let me go, bro! Yeah, lady!
Yeah, I'm good. I got it. You need help, Will?
We are.
Hey, bro!
I appreciate you. I don't know if it's gonna help. He's making all these decisions right now.
Just a thing. Ladarius, stop doing that. Because guess what? You're making it worse for yourself. You're making it worse for yourself. When you get there, you're going to end up in the body. You're going to, boy, calm down.
Stop.
Exactly. Cut that shit out. But you be up in here acting all hard. Calm down. Calm down.
Good luck.
You mad. They're not hurting you.
He's gonna be transported to
They're
the
not
jail.
hurting you. Stop doing that.
Right?
Stop doing that.
The minimus song?
You gonna end up getting
No.
Listen, he gonna end up getting hurt. Cause the shit he doing is charged with
Just chill.
I'm gonna get him out of here.
Yeah, I see you going?
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't like car sign.
Sector 10 to go. Here's the timeline. About 20 minutes now.
You can pick up tomorrow though. But you can get out right tomorrow though. You can get out right tomorrow though. So just come on. Bro, just chill. I just not call police.
We're line with both parties at this point.
Just chill. You can be out. You can be out in the next 24 hours. Just calm down. You know you is. You know Auntie's gonna come pick you up, so I don't know why you're doing all that. Calm down. You know Auntie's gonna come get you, bro. Calm down.
Advising this is possibly a
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Just close the door. And if he starts acting like that, then just, at this point, then y'all shoot when y'all get out the car. But just don't touch him. Because he's gonna freak out and frolic if y'all touch him. He don't like being touched.
Let's go wherever you guys are.
Are we charging you with resisting?
Sorry, just walk in. I don't wants us here for the use of force. I don't care about it, like, ethically. I mean, I think
Yeah, I think I'm okay.
yeah, but if he wants to attach just for use of force,
Is this first property?
figure out, yeah, it's working for just use. Oh, but you clearly got it. You want it for use of force.
So, basically what happened is the second he said, okay, you're coming with us, he darted left off the porch. I wrapped my arms around his waist and kind of like took him down. He landed on his stomach on the ground. I just sat on his hips and legs. He had his knee on his back, just trying to control. Continued to resist, and we got him in handcuffs. And then just a lot of kicking and screaming and tantrum.
Take down in the pen, but